Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a nice short video about the process of really dewy, sun-kissed skin. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve a really natural, dewy, tanned bronze look. No false lashes, no overdoing the brows, just like you've been on holiday to Bali for like 2 weeks and you come back and your skin's amazing. So I just want to share this process with you. It's going to be a nice short video, so sit back and relax. So I'm going to go straight in with the MAC Fix Plus, as usual, and spray this all over the face. So yeah. Because this is a process on skin, we've got no eyes to do today. Just make sure you smooth your brows out once you spray the Fix Plus on your face. And then I'm going to take these two little beauties. This is the MAC Lustre Drops in Sunrush and the NARS Copacabana Illuminator. I'm going to mix both of these together today because I want to achieve that really dewy look. And this is more of like a golden tan, but this is amazing for underneath foundation. And the foundation I'm going to use is the Naked Skin Foundation in shade 4. But I'm not going to use as much of this today because I'd like these two to shine through more to give that, well, to achieve that really natural dewy look. Just gonna go ahead with them. Right, so I've put quite a lot on here. I'm gonna take MAC 187 and blend all this in really nicely. Now I just want you to take your favourite foundation. I want to put a lot less of this on than we usually do, because I usually pump it all the way down to the bottom and let it drip down my face. But I just want, yeah, about that. This obviously depends on how confident you are with your skin. If you don't particularly like your skin, if there's a few blemishes that you have, just put as much foundation on as you want. I find the NARS Copacabana Illuminator is fantastic at showing through full coverage foundation. So now we've done that, as you can see, that is really, really dewy and really nice. So I've not really put much foundation on because I really want to achieve that sheen. And that's the thing with this look as well. I usually go over the top with Laura Mercier setting powder, but today I'm really going to have to be quite limited with it to really make that sheen come through. So now I'm just going to go in with my NARS Matte Concealer in shade Custard. I'm going to take my Zoeva 142 brush and scoop a bit of that out and put that underneath the eyes. I love this concealer because it doesn't crease at all and it's so creamy. Like, I was so reluctant to get it, but after using the creamy concealer for a while now, I am so fed up of the tube drying out and there's so much excess product in the tube and you can't get it out, and because obviously it's a plastic tube. So I wanted to try this out, but I thought, oh my god, it's going to be so dry, it's going to be so thick, and honestly it's not at all. It's a really beautiful silky concealer. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that in. Once we've done that, I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime Light Boost. This is the product that I absolutely worship and will worship to the grave. That's something itching my eye here. I will worship this product until I die. Little twisty bottom, this yellow liquid comes out at the top and it acts as a highlighter that really brightens. Look, you can see how bright that is even before the product has been blended in. And it brightens all under your eyes. This is a godsend for bags. You can see at the beginning of my video, I suffer with quite dark pigmentation underneath my eyes, and it makes my bags look even worse than they already are. Okay, that's gone a bit wonky. Okay, so once that's done, I just need to take a Laura Mercier setting powder, just set underneath the eyes, because you don't want that creasing. So put quite a bit on as well. Just underneath the eyes there, don't want to drag it out onto where we're going to highlight after. Then I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown bronzer in shade Golden Light and my Zoeva 127 brush. Just going to do little circular motions and then we'll get that bronzer going. so once you're nice and bronzed, the best bit brings it all together. We want to then go in with Hunting for it. I want to go in with my NARS Orgasm blusher. I want to take a big fluffy brush, just dab this in and follow the line of the bronzer. So now it's about adding that highlight. So it's set under our eyes, so we don't need to worry about that. Not set round here yet, or here and on the head, but I want to put some highlight on the head too. So for this, I'm going to take MAC Show Gold. I find this highlighter is perfect for achieving that really sun-kissed look, because as you can see it's gold but it reflects purple and it just looks so like, looks like you've literally just come off the beach. It's, oh, it's amazing. I love this highlighter, but it is quite difficult to bring that effect off the pan onto your face, so I bathe my brush in the Fix Plus for this. So I use a fan brush and I use the Fix Plus, so I spray that. Really violently. My friend always tells me off using my brushes too violently. And then just spray the Fix. We've not set that yet, so it is tacky. We just want to make it a bit more stick. So spray the Fix Plus on the areas where you're going to apply. So once that's done, I actually want to go back in with this cute little number. This is the Mariah Carey, what is it? My Mimi Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And I love to put this on top of bronzer. I've got something more. I love to put this on top of bronzer. I think it's perfect for a really golden look, so we're just gonna go in with that. So once that's done, I need to just do some finishing touches now. I need to add the Chanel onto the highlight, put some mascara on and just naturally fluff my brows, because this is a really natural look. You don't want any lipstick, you just want to put as little on your brows as possible. You want to look like you've literally just strolled off the beach. The water hitting your face. Oh God. Now I'm just going to take my 224 brush. I'm just going to fluff a bit of brown shade, any brown shade, it doesn't really matter. I'm using the Concealing from the Sahara, oh my God, that's a mess, the Saharan palette, and I just want to add a bit of bronze to my eyes. Then you just want to take a little darker, so I'm going to go with this burnt orange colour and just tap that lightly onto the lid. So now I just want to take my brow set, and I'm just going to try and put as little on as possible with this. Because I have quite thick brows anyway, so I don't want to overdo this, but I'm just going to do light upwards motions. Mascara, I use Volume de Chanel. So once that's done, you just want to spray back over with the Fix Plus again to give that really dewy finish, and then top up with your favourite lip gloss. So I'm using the Mariah Carey Matte Limited Edition gloss. This is because it's a clear gloss and it just adds a nice glitter onto the lips. And there we have it. That is my super dewy go-to sun-kissed look. This is how I achieve a really natural sun-kissed look This can be an everyday look, whether you're going out to the supermarket, whether you're going out for a meal, whether you're going on a date, or going to the airport. I think you can wear this look anywhere, as long as it's not work, because who can be bothered putting this much makeup on for work? Well, time and effort into your makeup for work, not me. So yeah, thank you for watching this short video, guys. It was very focused on skin today. I just wanted to go through with you in more detail how I achieve a nice bronze golden look. So you want really natural fluffy brows, you just want to have as little on the eyes as possible to make the look appear very natural and very sun-kissed. So thank you for watching this short video, and please subscribe if you like this and give the video a thumbs up if this was one that you enjoyed. Stay tuned for next week and next week's video. Not sure where it's going to be yet, but yes, thank you for watching, guys, and speak to you soon. Bye.